Welcome to Behavior Lab. Did you know it takes just 7 seconds for someone to form a first impression about you? That's quicker than ordering your favorite coffee. Our brains are wired to judge based on what's visible: appearance, body language, and tone of voice. In those few seconds, we decide if someone is confident, approachable, or even trustworthy. Want to make a great first impression? Start with these 3 tips. Smile naturally, it's a universal sign of friendliness. Stand tall and confident, your posture speaks volumes. Make eye contact, it shows you're engaged and genuine. While first impressions are powerful, they're not the end of the story. People's perceptions can change over time, so don't stress if you don't nail it immediately. Confidence isn't about being perfect, it's about being authentic. So, what's your go-to strategy for making a great first impression? Share in the comments below.